In this tutorial I show you some tricks how to improve your results. I have opened already two workbooks, so we can click Start to compare them. Synkronizer has identified 42 differences in entered values and formulas. However, not all differences may be relevant to you. Let's have a look at some examples. The first one, around the horn versus around the horn, they're both equal, but one is in uppercase while the other one is in upper and lowercase. If you like to take these type of differences out, go to Filters, click on Enable Filter, and click Ignore Case. Now we need to refresh the comparison. Remember, we had now 42 differences. Click Compare again. And now we are down to 38. All the differences related to the case are eliminated. Another one, quite commonly, is this one here. They both look identical, but Thomas Hardy on the left side has a blank after Hardy, while on the right side there is no blank. To eliminate white spaces, also go to Filters and tick Ignore White Spaces. Again, refresh the comparison, and we are down now from 38 to 36. Next, let's have a look at this difference here. On the left side, the number format is set as general, while on the right side, the number format is a text. Now, if this type of difference is not relevant to you, also go to Filters and click Ignore Data Type. Refresh the comparison again, and from 36 we are down now to 26 differences. With this technique you can drill down the number of differences that you are left with only these differences that are relevant to you. Thank you for watching.